gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Honor's special edition phones have always stood out by offering something different with each lineup. The Magic 8 series, for example, is impressively balanced overall, and when you compare prices, it clearly has an edge over many rivals. Then there's the 500 series, which puts its focus on being slim and lightweight, while still looking premium and feeling well built in the hand, a design direction I personally really enjoy. As for the Wing series, aside from its built-in cooling fan, it also packs an enormous battery, turning it into a true gaming-focused beast. Now let's talk about the Power series. The newly launched Power 2 has all the signs of becoming a battery life legend. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. We've already seen a lot of its design language, and honestly, it looks fantastic. One detail worth highlighting is that the Power series uses a flagship-grade metal soft frame, which instantly gives the phone a much more premium feel. The ultra-narrow bezels around the flat display also show flagship-level craftsmanship. You're looking at a 6.79-inch 1.5 grayscale display with a peak brightness of up to 8,000 nits, so even under harsh outdoor sunlight, visibility is never an issue. After covering the design and screen, let's get into the three major highlights of the Honor Power. The first, and most shocking, is battery life. The Power 2 comes with a massive 1,080 mAh battery, which is actually larger than many portable power banks people carry around. What makes this even more impressive is that the phone remains surprisingly slim and light, with a body thickness of just 7.98 millimeters and a weight of only 216 grams. In real-world use, this huge battery easily gets you through a full day without stress. During my testing, I played games for over 2 hours, including demanding titles like Genshin Impact and Star Iron, and the battery still had 82% left. That result is genuinely impressive. I also used the Power 2 as my main phone for an entire day, and based on my daily habits, the screen-on time comfortably crossed 8.5 hours. If you're a lighter user or keep going nonstop, it can last even longer. Simply put, the battery performance here is outstanding. Charging is another strong point. Despite the enormous battery, the Power 2 supports up to 80-watt fast charging. Of course, with such a large capacity, a full charge will still take more than an hour, which is totally understandable considering it holds more power than many decent power banks. On top of that, it also supports 27-watt reverse fast charging, making it especially useful for iPhone users. You can treat it as both a backup phone and a portable charger. Beyond battery life, signal performance is another area where the Power 2 shines. It uses the same Redwing 6E antenna found on Honor's flagship models, along with Honor's self-developed C+ RF enhancement chip. Just by looking at the number of antenna breaks on the metal frame, you can tell signal stability won't be an issue. It also supports dual-band GPS and tri-band passive positioning, which means more accurate location tracking outdoors. Whether you're navigating or booking a ride, positioning errors are far less likely. Thankfully, the Power 2 doesn't stop there. Performance is the third major highlight, and it's a big step up from the previous generation. The phone is powered by the Dimensity 8500 Elite processor. To put its performance into perspective, it's on a similar level to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is more than powerful enough for a phone in this price segment. I also put it through its paces with 3 high-definition 120Hz matches of King of Glory, along with tests in Genshin Impact and Star Thunder. During King of Glory gameplay, the Power 2 stayed incredibly smooth and stable from start to finish, with excellent control over power consumption and heat. If King of Glory is one of your go-to games, this phone is honestly a very solid choice. When switching over to Genshin Impact with slightly higher settings at 60 FPS, the Power 2 delivered an average of 58.42 FPS. More importantly, the frame rate stayed very steady, hovering around 58.5 FPS most of the time. This kind of tuning is actually quite smart. Holding a rock-solid 60 FPS all the way through is extremely challenging, so locking performance closer to 58 FPS makes a lot of sense. The difference between 58 FPS and 60 FPS is almost impossible to notice in real gameplay, and smoothness is well preserved overall. Of course, to maintain this level of performance, power draw and body temperature do go up a bit, but That really comes down to whether you're okay with that trade-off. Personally, I think it's completely acceptable. Under heavier load, things get more demanding. With StarTrain set to very high graphics and 60 FPS, the Power 2 does start to struggle somewhat. After about half an hour, the average frame rate dropped to 53.46 FPS, power consumption reached 7.01 watts, and the peak body temperature at the end of the session hit 45.3 degrees Celsius. Looking at the frame rate chart, you can clearly see larger fluctuations, and they're noticeable during gameplay. That said, considering this is running on the Dimensity 8500 Elite, the results are understandable. StarTrain at extreme settings pushes the hardware very hard and is still slightly beyond what this chip can comfortably handle. Overall, though, the performance of the Honor Power 2 definitely goes beyond expectations, especially when compared to the previous generation. It feels like Honor is aiming to turn the Power series into a truly well-rounded high-end lineup, and from a performance standpoint, it's already more than capable. Beyond raw performance, the Power 2 also delivers strongly in other areas. It comes with full-level water resistance ratings, including IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K. On top of that, it features symmetrical loose-wire microphones. Honor has always been reliable when it comes to audio quality, and having symmetrical loose-wire mics in the Power series is a very welcome addition. For photography, the Power 2 is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera with optical stabilization, along with an ultra-wide-angle lens. This setup is more than enough for everyday shooting needs and casual photography. To wrap it all up, the overall product strength of the Honor Power 2 is genuinely impressive. It really feels like Honor is positioning the Power series as a top-tier option, combining a massive battery, strong all-around performance, and solid gaming capabilities into one package. Honestly, Honor seems to have figured it out this time. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.